Hi everyone, welcome to a new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the Clownfish voice modifier. So first of all, I want you to go to Google and search for Clownfish voice changer. Then you're going to click on this site called clownfishtranslator.com. You'll arrive here and click on download. Next, you need to download the version that matches your PC. So if you're on Windows 32-bit, you download this one. If you're on Windows 64-bit, whether it's 7, 8, 8.1, 10, or 11, you'll download that one. That's mine. So I'm just going to click on download, and the download should start up here. I've already downloaded it again. All right, let me just open the installer and install it in front of you to show you the installation process as well as how to use it. Now, it's asking me if I want to make changes to my computer, and all I'm going to do is say yes and accept the changes on my computer. And now the installation process should begin. Let's wait for it to start launching. Alright, now what you're going to do is click next. Very well, we'll wait for it to actually respond. I guess it's trying to extract some files. Okay, it created a shortcut on the desktop and a shortcut in the start menu, but we don't really need those. I'll keep the shortcut on the desktop for now. Click next, and then here is the location of your file. That's fine. Is that okay? I'm going to install it here, and that should start the installation. The installation doesn't take long. It's a pretty lightweight software, guys, so it won't take you long to install. And once that's done, I'll get back to you. Alright guys, now you need to click on install, and it should finish the installation in a few moments. And that's okay. We're almost at the end of this step, my dear friends. The installation of this system is about to be fully completed, and once this process is finished, I'll be happy to guide you through all the necessary steps to set everything up, which I can assure you is an incredibly simple, straightforward, and easy process for everyone to master. So I'll get back to you as soon as this installation phase is completely finished and ready to move on to the next steps. Alright, click next here, then you can click finish to complete the installation. I want you to right click on the icon. Alright, right click on the shortcut, and then I'll show you which options you need to select, guys, to really launch this software. So what I want you to do now, guys, is click on open. Alright, click on open right here, and let's wait for the software to actually open. Alright, so it has opened here in the taskbar icon. What I'm going to do, guys, is click on it, and I'll show you the different options. So you can right click here, you can click on this option right here called set voice changer. Alright, and whenever you want to turn it off, you can come here and switch it off, and I'll show you the different. Alright, come here, click on settings, then click on system integration. Now guys, what we basically want to do is install our voice changer on the microphone we're using. For example, I'm using the default one and this one. So you can come here and click install on that one. Right now it's already installed. That's my default microphone. If you're using another microphone, you can come and install it here. Then you can change, your different voice effect usage mode. Alright, you can come here and change your effects. You can change them. Come here to voice assistant, and you can select different types of text to speech options, voice assistants. Okay, now that that's done, guys, what you want to do is right click again and click on set voice changer, and now we can change things like the pitch of the voice. We can adjust the boost, sensitivity, bass, depending on how you want it to sound. You can also choose from preset templates right here. If you want a baby voice, if you want to sound like a woman, or things like that. And then you just need to apply the effect. Next, guys, you want to close this. Alright, you need to choose exactly which microphone you want to apply it to. So you come here and make your selection. You want to choose on the sound player, and here you can also play other sound effects as well. So once you've chosen your microphone, guys, what you can do is come here to settings, click on microphone, and you can choose any microphone you want to make changes to. For example, let's go to Discord and say we want to change our microphone settings on Discord to the one that's connected to Clownfish. Come here, guys, go to voice and video, and there you'll see, guys. All right, we're going to change it. Here, you can change your input device. So the default one is the one we modified in Clownfish. It's really as simple and easy as that, guys. So I hope this video helped you